My name is Nora. Welcome to the RV Foodie. This is my bestie over here.
This is my Nora, and we're in Myrtle Beach. Finally.
I wanted to make an RV video with my bestie today. I have an RV Foodie dress on. If you can see, I have bananas on it. And I'm so glad my Nani and bestie are here. And I'm glad that I get to spend time with them.
We're going to make applesauce today. The applesauce has been the tradition for countless cultures. We got Kirsten's cookbook, which is really fun because that is Nora's mama's name. And we're learning about how hard it was when, back in the old days, when you were a little girl and you had
to feed the fire the wood.
So that we could cook things, right? And where would they be cooking?
In their house, not outside.
But right in the house that only had how many rooms?
One.
It's also really wonderful to read the experiences in the Jemima Code. Last week we were able to do a recipe out of Jubilee, and this is the previous book from Tony Tipton Martin. And it's neat to be able to teach Nora not only about what Kirsten Larson did, but also reading about Effie Waller-Smith in 1904. And here's what Effie Waller-Smith has to say. You may talk about the knowledge which our farmers' girls have gained from cooking schools and cookbooks where all modern cooks are trained. But I would rather know just how, though vainly I have tried, to prepare as mother used to, applesauce and chicken fried. Our modern cooks know how to fix their dainty dishes rare. But friend, just let me tell you what, none of them compare.
We're here making applesauce now.
We're going to start with about 3 pounds of apples. We bought a 5-pound bag. We've been eating them on the way. And so right now we have about 3 pounds. Some of them are a little bit bruised. Some have blemishes on them. The nice thing about applesauce is that that's totally okay. That's just a little, it's like a bump and a bruise.
At the same time?
Yep. I'm going to go ahead and start cutting big chunks, and my sous chef here is going to cut little chunks after I get them ready. So we learned how to hold a knife, right? And how to keep our fingers out of the way. Move them back a little bit. And we keep these fingers out of the way, right? So we're just going to cut that in half, and then we'll cut it in half again.
I'm her little sous chef, and I help her a lot.
Perfect. All right.
I'm ready for some more, my big chef.
Excellent. Another beautiful aspect of making applesauce, we didn't have to take all the skins off. They go right in there, which will give it a really nice, pretty color.
I'm the sous chef. Sous chef.
Excellent. All right. So we did a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a quarter cup of water, and then we're gonna put in a squeeze of lemon. That's the little bit of acid that's going to go in here, and acid tends to make things brighter, or effectively making it taste a little bit more like itself. Look at this, Miss Nora. Can you see in there?
Yeah.
We only added a little bit of water, right?
Yeah.
Look at how much liquid's in there already.
This smells so good.
You know what I say? A kitchen doesn't have love in it until there's dancing in it. Do you agree?
Yeah. I think I'm naming this thing. I'm sure it's going to taste delicious. It's delicious. fabulous. This is my good side. No, really, it's my good side. We did it.
Did it. Woo!
So what are we doing with this microphone? Singing it. I just wanted to say I want to protect the community and I want to protect the whole entire earth because it's my home and I love my home. I don't ever want to lose it. The presidents all have to make sure that we protect the earth too.